Here in Redcar, in the north of England, CPI, the Centre for Process Innovation, has chosen ETD Contracting to build a high-technology plant intended to accompany highly innovative companies.
The arena in which CPI operates is that we provide facilities for companies with innovative ideas to come and trial their products or trial their processes. We try to demonstrate that they are viable processes and develop them to a point where they can become commercial processes. This plant will be taking a number of biomaterials and processing it in a number of ways, principally through a fermenter, and then to handle the materials afterwards.
The various different products that can be manufactured in this facility includes biofuels such as ethanol, along with other enzymes that can be used in research at universities, along with the food industry.
In other words, this innovative site will be dedicated to the most innovative companies, and in particular to those specialized in biotechnology. A very ambitious project for ETDE, knowing that there were a lot of constraints.
This facility is being installed in an existing building, so the space available for it is limited by that existing building, and it required a lot of careful thought and design by CPI in conjunction with ETDE.
The building is split into three, basically. The first third of the building is the biomass preparation area. The second third of the building is the media prep and fermentation area, and that's a 10,000 litre fermentation vessel. That vessel is the heart of the job, and the last area is called the downstream processing area. So we designed the control room, which is the brains of the facilities.
The main difficulty of the project is the size of the facility. Well, there's a lot of equipment and pipe work and other items of equipment gone in the facility. Is very, very small.
The building is approximately 15 metres long by 12 metres wide. So we have approximately probably about 50 to 60 different pieces of equipment installed here in such a small area.
ETD did its utmost to use this small area at its best and deliver it as quickly as possible, time being the other big constraint of this project.
The difficulty mainly with the project is there's a lot of vendor equipment that's on long lead times, so you're knowing by the time that you've done the design work and you've ordered the equipment, you're not going to get the equipment on site until the back end of the project, and obviously making sure that we can get everything in and everything commissioned on time has been very difficult.
So we designed, we built, but we carried on designing as we were building along. So that was one of the constraints that we had.
Today, time for delivery is approaching, but the client seems satisfied of the work in process.
We're delighted that ETDE has shown us once again their strong performance in procuring and building this plant in such a short time frame. We have enjoyed a very good collaborative relationship with ETDE, and we certainly look forward to celebrating the completion of this work very shortly.
And indeed, the plant should be delivered for Christmas, a real Christmas present for CPI.
A lot of our customers, our clients, will be coming in and will undoubtedly be impressed by the quality of what they see first, and that will be a very key point in selling the whole idea of using the plant for their development purposes.